I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how to add different employees to the same customer in same order. So let's go to customer right here. Let's type in a phone number to pop up all customers to that phone number. Okay. Now I'm going to add 3 services. Doesn't matter what they are. This is just an example. And these 3 services are going to be done on the same person, but by different employees. So let's click on one of the employees here and change him. Let's change Premel to Daniel and turn parallel service on. Okay, hit check. Now let's go to Premel again, change it to Sarita. Parallel service on, check. Now go back to Premel, parallel service on, check. Done. What this does is it gives the same customer different employees and different tasks to do at the same time. Now, if they can't do them at the same time, all you have to do is just go to their name, turn parallel service off, check, done, and now they're at different times. You see that? So that is how you assign different employees to the same customer in the same order. So if I go and hit checkout, wait a little bit, it'll pop on the register with all of these services done by different employees, and you can even check that if you go to order details and you click on the drop down menu, the notes by Sarita Patel, by Daniel Boyer. So there we go.